these things we have in this new Dual Forms online course. And it is suitable both for beginners and professionals, because I myself, when I started doing this technique 2 years ago, I already had many awards and competitions. I felt pretty confident about myself, but you know what? It took me a while. It took me a few months to finally figure it out, because there are certain things you need to follow. There are certain rules to work with different types of nails that you can finally make the good quality nails. And 84% of my students start working with the clients. What is else included in this course? It's natural nail prep. It's working with different nail types, short and medium and long square shape, almond nails, pinching the nail, fast filing technique. You can do infills with Dual Forms, and you can even do pink and white. Oh, and almost forgot, there's also a bonus lesson with dual tips demo. It's all in this course. So by the end of this course, you will be able to do infill with Dual Forms, work with any nail types, do one-tone nails like we did today, and as well as pink and white, square and almond shape, and all this within 1 hour. So if you're new to Nails Pro Academy, you might not know that we have online courses where you can take anytime, anywhere, using any device. For this course, you will have a 6 weeks access. So you will watch, it's not like now, it's not like live webinar, you will have a pre-recorded high-quality videos you can watch anytime. This is just an example of how the close-ups that we do. So you can watch it from any device. You will fulfill the assignments that we have for you. For example, for this course, there's one when you need to do this Dual Forms application on yourself. Then you take a picture, send it to us, and you will get a feedback from me or another educator. And then you need to pass the exam to do the final assessment work. And once it's approved, you will get a certificate. Well, this one will have a different picture on it because this is a brand new course. We don't have an example of the certificate yet.